welcome to the 27th edition of the Growth Expo which is being held in Ahmedabad today. आज के इस कार्यक्रम की सबसे बड़ी खूबी ये है कि जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं वो सब विजनरीज हैं और अपने अपने क्षेत्रों में बहुत ही अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और अपने बिजनेसेस को बहुत ही सही तरीके से और बहुत ही सक्सेसफुली रन कर रहे हैं। और हो भी क्यों ना, क्योंकि हम गुजरात की धरती पे हैं। And Gujarat is known as the business capital of not just India but the world. And here we are at this Growth Expo, the 27th edition. Ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good morning to all of you. It is such a pleasure to be back to Gujarat once again. What a privilege to welcome all of you to the 27th edition of the Great Grand Growth Expo, which is happening right here in Ahmedabad. And must I tell you, that this is Gujarat's biggest business fair and the biggest B2B and B2C networking platform right here. यहाँ जहाँ मैं खड़ी हुई हूँ, आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे होने वाली है ढेर सारी नेटवर्किंग. This is the biggest platform in Gujarat where all visionaries, industry leaders, thought leaders and subject matter experts, they all come together. And they have these beautiful, rich, meaningful conversations, exchange of brilliant, bright ideas, and they connect and they collaborate. And must I say, where there is collaboration, there is creativity, and creativity always leads to growth. Yes or no, gentlemen? Creativity always leads to growth, and that is why Growth Expo. देखिए, नाम में ही growth है. We want your growth. We want to come together. We want to collaborate, and we want to grow together. And Gujarat is the business capital of the country, है कि नहीं? मैं तो मानती हूँ, आप मानते हैं? Gujarat, I can't hear you. Gujarat is the business capital. Yes or yes? Yes. Absolutely yes. And we are so proud and privileged to welcome each and every one of you to the 27th edition of the Growth Expo. We believe that if you are that visionary founder, if you have the solution to that big problem, then this platform of the Growth Expo promises you your transformation from vision to venture, from ideation all the way to funding, from brand building to brand launching. And we are here not to just stay local. We are here to dream big, think big and grow global. हमें सबको लोकल से ग्लोबल जाना है. आप सभी को पता होगा, हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का एक सपना है, विकसित भारत 2047. Yes or no? And we believe that Gujarat is majorly contributing to his dream of Viksit Bharat 2047. And to reach that place, we have to start thinking from local to global, and that is what we are here to do. With a huge round of applause, आप सभी का स्वागत, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्ते. Give it up for this glorious, glorious occasion. Everybody, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं आप सभी लोगों के लिए. And now, without any further ado, as we all know, this is Gujarat's premium Property, Interiors and Exteriors Expo. We've got our subject matter experts, our thought leaders and our industry leaders with us who will be joining us for a speaker summit. And to do the honors, I would like to call upon all of you, and we shall start with the summit very, very soon.